Dimension of a physical quantity is defined as the power or exponent raised to the fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity is mass, length, time, mole, current, temperature and luminous intensity है. Mostly हम MLT का यूज़ करते हैं. Sometimes use the temperature also. This is m raised to power 1, l raised to power 2, t raised to power 2. तो यहाँ पे 1 to 2 जो है, these are the dimensions. By the use of dimension, we also write a dimension formula. Dimension formula क्या होता है? It is the way of writing the formula of physical quantity in terms of fundamental quantity and dimension. For example, for velocity or speed you can say, because दोनों का formula तो एक ही जैसा होता है. Velocity में displacement आता है, speed में distance आता है. तो velocity is displacement upon time. Displacement is the length, so this is L, or time is t, so LT minus 1. So this is the dimension formula of velocity. So any physical quantity can be written in terms of dimensional formula. In few cases, few physical quantities, different physical quantity having the same dimension formula. Now let's see the dimension formula of different physical quantities. There is a list given in NCERT. You can see from there. हम यहाँ कुछ पढ़ रहे हैं. Acceleration is velocity upon time. That is LT minus 1 upon t. So LT minus 2. Force क्या होता है? Mass into acceleration होता है. So mass acceleration का ये है. So ml t minus 2. यहाँ पे 1 m की पावर l की पावर 1 t की पावर minus 2. ये इसके dimensions है. Work or any kind of energy having the same dimension formula. Force into displacement. Force is ml t minus 2 into L is the ml 2 t minus 2. Another is momentum. Momentum is mv, mass into velocity. M lt minus 1, ml t minus 1. Impulse is a short duration force. Means बहुत large quantity का force बहुत short time के लिए लगाया जाए. That is called impulse. Just kicking up the ball. Kicking a football, you can say. Force into short duration ml t minus 2 into t. So dimension formula is ml t minus 1. Momentum and impulse both having the same dimension formula. That's why there is a theorem also, impulse momentum theorem. There are so many physical quantity which having same dimension formula. We will learn later about it.